Good morning, all. Today, I would like to discuss on purchase requisition with the inventory item. So, how to create a purchase requisition with the inventory product in the SSP, RSSP. Okay. So, I'm quickly logging into the Oracle. So, I'm already in the self-service procurement page. Here, I how to choose the requisition with item. So, usually, if you go with the create a non-catalog request, it will going to have the service related of the requisition. To raise the inventory related of the requisitions, we have the three dots here. So once you click here, it will open up a list of values. So here you can choose the enter requisition line. So once you click here, it will open the requisition form. There it will ask you to provide the item. So which item you have? So yes, select an existing item. Yes, I have the one existing item. I'm choosing that. You can just enter in the a list of values, so it will display if that item is exist in the system. Okay, so I'm just selecting that item. The later the rest of like item description, category, everything coming from the item PIM model where it is been created in the item master. Okay, so then the destination type, it automatically populated from the user preferences. And if you would like to mention which sub-inventory wanted to deliver this product, you can choose the sub inventory which is there in the particular inventory stores. I am selecting as a store. And when you wanted to receive this material, so it is saying as September 5, so I'm okay with this as it is a future date. And from which supplier you wanted to buy this material, I have one of the supplier exists in the system, EIP Inc. So I'll take the material from him. So sites EIP US1 is a site. And how much quantity? I would like to have the 10 quantity is my demand. So if you would like to convert a purchase order automatically, then choose negotiated enabled automatically. Otherwise, if you wanted to manually convert purchase requisition and purchase order, then not required. And if you have any DFF attributes, you can provide the DFF attributes in the additional information. And if you would like to have any uh, notes to the buyer, supplier, and who is going to be receive the material, you can mention that accordingly. It's a we have huge demand for the product kindly review and approve for get the material from this supplier. Okay, so if you wanted to note anything to supplier and receiver also you can. And if you have any attachments, so you can attach the documentation. You can simply drag and drop here. Okay, so then click on create and continue. So it will asking me to provide the delivery and billing details. This is my requisition number 204162. This is a requisition number that got created. So, okay, so here delivery information. If you wanted to change anything, deliver to location, you can change here. Otherwise, you can proceed with the same. CTL is fine. And billing, like which charge account it is going to hit, and what is the total quantity and the pricing information, everything is showing up here. Okay, so I'm okay with this information. I don't have any requirement to change, so I'm just going with the update. Now this product has been added to the cart. Okay, now we are in the cart. So if you wanted to validate before submitting, you can do that. So if you wanted to edit and if you wanted to see the view approval or PDF copy or save and you can proceed later. You can do that, but I don't have any further requirement. I need only one single material, that is this. I am okay with this. Okay, so I'm submitting the requisition. Requisition has been submitted. And if you wanted to see, go to my requisitions. So currently it is showing as a draft, but it's not ideally draft. It will take a few seconds to create the status. Okay, it would be pending approval. We'll wait for a few seconds. Yeah, so currently it's a pending approval. So within few minutes it will get auto approve because of we have auto approve has been enabled in the system. Okay, thank you for watching. And yeah, before concluding, so here the my requisitions where you can view all the existing